Hello there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. On another update on our Carat Vanagon restoration video. You can see today when I got this van, the bumper, the rear bumper, was in pieces in the back. Of course, it was also the same color as the side panels. You can see they're still the original silver. But I decided, you know what? I wanted to paint this black with this special Rust-Oleum paint that I like. You can paint it on plastic, metal, wood, anything. And it also has its own primer built into it. And so you can see how it turned out. Pretty nice. Basically for prep work, I actually use these Scotch-Brite pads that are big, that are for painting. And what I would recommend when you're painting with this Rust-Oleum, it's a shaky can. What I would do is try to do it in one coat, because if you try to go back over it again, it seems like it blushes. Okay, so you can kind of see the center turned out great. The sides turned out pretty good, but I actually went back over them and they kind of blushed and satined out a little bit more than I like. It's supposed to be a satin finish, is actually what the can says, but it turns out to be kind of in between, almost like a semi-gloss when you paint it. So if you're looking for a way to make your van, look nice, and your side panels or your bumper or whatever, I mean, one of these corners was actually a black one from a Westie because they had damaged it. So that's kind of why I had to paint it. I really didn't have a choice. I might have put it back the way it was otherwise. But I'm thinking about, like we talked last time, or a couple videos ago, actually painting all the side panels black and the front bumper. I think that would look pretty sweet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I appreciate everybody making comments about the AC tunnels that we were working on yesterday as well. I used super glue on them because I was concerned about JB Weld actually sticking to the plastic properly, and I know super glue will, but I wasn't totally sure about JB Weld. So far the tunnels that we repaired look pretty good, and I think I'm ready to possibly put them back. We'll see. I will show you guys how that turns out here when we get to that point. So for right now, this is our phase 1 of repainting our bumpers and side panels, and I think it turned out pretty great. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.